Question 21, find the value of m in the diagram. Solution: to do that, we simply adjust this diagram to this form by extending this side and closing this side. For us to have angle 90 degrees, this angle is also 90 degrees. For this angle, it is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, straight line angles, and you have 140 degrees. In the closed figure, if you add all the angles, the sum is equal to 540 degrees. Sum of angles in a pentagon. You have this result: m is equal to 540 degrees minus 410 degrees equal to 130 degrees. The correct option is B. Question 22. A line L passing through the point is parallel to the line which passes through these points. Find the equation of the line L. Solution: let the equation of the line L be equal to y equal to ms plus c. Through this point, we have minus 13 equal to 6m plus c. Let's call that equation 1. The line that passes through these points will help us to find the gradient in equation 1 above. Gradient m is equal to change in y over change in s. This is s1, y1, s2, y2. You replace them and you have these results. You have 5 over minus 10, and that is equal to minus 1 over 2. With the gradient, go back to equation 1 and find c. So this is equation 1. You replace m with minus 1 over 2 in this form. If you divide 6 by 2, you have 3 times minus 1, that is minus 3. To get c, transfer minus 3 to the left. You have this result, and c is equal to minus 10. The required equation is therefore given as, you come here, y equal to, the gradient is minus 1 over 2 times s minus the intercept on the y-axis c equal to minus 10, and you have it in this form. The correct option is C. Question 23. An empty tank in form of cylinder is 140 centimeters in diameter. If 200 liters of water is poured into the tank, calculate, correct to the nearest centimeter, the height of water in the tank. Solution: the amount of water in the tank is the volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. The volume is given in terms of liters. You have to convert it to centimeters by using 1000 to multiply it, and you have 200,000 cube centimeters. Diameter is equal to 140 cm. To get radius, divide diameter by 2 and you have 70 cm. We are to get the height. You come here and replace volume, pi, and radius with what they stand for, except the height, which we are to solve for. Multiply through by 7 to clear fraction. Divide both sides by this product to make height the subject in this form. When you simplify, you have this result. To the nearest centimeter, the height is equal to 13 centimeters. The correct option is C. Question 24. Mrs. Kebe stands at a distance of 110 meters away from a building of vertical height 58 meters. If Kebe is 2 meters tall, find the angle of elevation of the top of the building from her eye. Solution. This is Kebe, 2 meters tall, vertical building. The distance of the woman from the foot of the building is 110 meters. The height of the building is 58 meters. Now, KA is equal to BC, that is 2 meters. From her eye level, she's looking at the top of the building. So the angle formed is angle of elevation, theta. If the height of the building is 58 meters and BC is 2 meters, from the building top to C becomes 56 meters. AB is equal to KC. In triangle KCB or T, top of the building, we can get theta. This is opposite adjacent. So tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. That is 56 over 110 equal to 0.50909. To get theta, take the inverse of tangent of both sides and you have 26.9801 degrees. To the nearest degree, you have 27 degrees. The correct option is B. Question 25. Find the mean deviation of the set of numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. You have ungrouped data, data without frequencies. Solution. Mean deviation is equal to summation symbol of absolute value of S minus S bar over N. S bar is needed, which is the mean. The mean is equal to summation S over N. You add all the numbers, they are 6 in number, divide by 6. You have 99 over 6, and that is 16.5. Let's use table to show the solution and get the final result. You have S, the given numbers. Next, we get S minus S bar, that is subtracting 16.5 from each value here, and you have this result. This symbol helps us to convert all negative results to positive, while the results that are positive remain the same. So minus 2.5 under this symbol becomes positive, and so on. When you add down, you have 9. So the mean deviation becomes 9/6, and that is 1.5. The correct option is B. Question 26. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 6 times its exterior angle. That is one angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Solution. Each interior angle of a polygon is given by this formula, and each exterior angle of a polygon is given by this formula. From the question, each exterior angle is equal to 6 times each exterior angle. Each interior angle is equal to 6 times each exterior angle. You have it in this form. If you cross multiply, you have these results. N, we cancel N. Then if you divide through by 180 degrees, you are left with 2 here that will multiply 6 to give you 12. So you have N minus 2 equal to 12. So N is equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. So you have 14 sides. The correct option is B. Question 27. The length of the diagonal of a square is 12 cm. Calculate the area of the square. To get the area, the length is needed. You know, in a square, all the sides are equal. So you have the diagonal to be 12 cm. So we have 2 right angle triangles. By Pythagoras rule, you have it that 12 square is equal to L square plus L square. You have this result. Divide through by 2. L square is equal to 72. Area of a square is equal to L square, and that is 72 square centimeters. The correct option is C. Example 28. Consider the statements. P. Sia is from Foya. Q. Foya is in Lofa. Write in symbolic form the statement. If Sia is from Foya, then Foya is in Lofa. If then is conditional or implication statement with symbol that looks like arrow, something like this. So the correct option is C. Question 29. What is the name of a triangle with vertices this, and this? Solution. Considering the given vertices, you simply subtract them. So you have minus 3. You start with the second point. Minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. For the second point, 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. The third point, 4 minus 0 equal to 4. You see that two sides are the same, and such a triangle is isosceles triangle. The correct option is A. Question 30. In the diagram, N arrow is a diameter, angle MN arrow is equal to S degrees, and angle S arrow N equal to 5S plus 20 degrees. Find the value of 2S. Solution. This angle is 90 degrees because N arrow is a diameter. You have angle in a semicircle. We also need this angle. So if you add this angle and this angle, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Angle S arrow N is this, plus angle N arrow M equal to 180 degrees. You open the bracket, you have this result. To get angle N arrow M, you transfer these values to the right hand side, and you have 180 degrees minus 5S. In triangle NM arrow, the three angles are known. You add them together, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have it in this form, and you have this result. Transfer this to the right. For it to become positive, you transfer this value to the left. You have it in this form. So if you subtract, you have 70 degrees equal to 4S. You are asked to find 2S. So instead of dividing through by 4, divide through by 2. And you have 35 degrees equal to 2S. Therefore, 2S is equal to 35 degrees. The correct option is B.